Hey, today we're going to be looking at a new diamond painting company called Diamondkissxo. This is actually a diamond painting company started by a YouTube creator. I'll have her channel and the website for this linked down below. So she originally emailed me and asked if I would preview one of her diamond paintings, and I was like, yes, let me see, let me check it out. And so she sent this to me. Okay, so it comes in this box. It says Diamondkissxo. I like this sticker. I like this kiss. Is this the creator's lips? I don't know. We shall have to ask her. If you are new here and you like diamond paintings though, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post new videos whenever I feel like it, so also make sure you hit that notification bell, ding, to be notified when I upload new videos. And if you're curious to know, this is a Canadian company. She is based in Canada. I don't know where her diamond paintings ship from, but she is based in Canada. So here we go. To Beverly, thank you for giving me the opportunity for showing Dazzling Cherries on your channel. Oh, thank you so much. And her name is Jenny. Thank you, Jenny. So this is what I will be previewing. It's called Dazzling Cherries. Hold on, let me pull this out a little bit so you can see. Dazzling Cherries. The artist is the creator herself. The size is 49.5 centimeters by 49.5 centimeters, so a square, and then this is a square diamond painting as well. Let's see what we have here. Okay, so we have our drills, which are nicely bound. Oh my goodness. Okay, I forgot to mention, this is a full AB canvas. So if you love ABs, this might be the canvas for you. So here is a bigger thumbnail with the same information, and then here is the schematic or the legend, whatever you want to call it. So we have 14 colors, and I usually say like 2 ABs or whatever, but this is 14 colors with 14 ABs. There is the number of drills, there's the weight. I don't think you really need to know this, but in case you're wondering. And then these are the DMC codes for the drills as well. And then here are the drills. We'll take a closer look at these afterwards. And this was what I showed you guys earlier. This is actually a sticker. So if you want to put this in your logbook, whatever you want to do with it, put it on the end of the box. I will probably put this on the end of the box so I know what's inside the box. And then we also have our toolkit. Ooh, look at this fancy little bag it comes with, and then a QR code. Let me know what this goes to. I'd imagine it goes to the website. So let's check out what comes in the toolkit. We have a diamond painting pen, tweezers, oh, and we have a cover minder. So this will hold back the plastic on your canvas. This is really cute. I love this. And then we have, oh my goodness, we have some washi of like different size crystals or gemstones. That's really cute. Then we have 2 multi-placers. And then we have a scrunchie, or what is it called? I don't know. A squishy for your diamond painting pen. We have another multi-placer, looks like a 3-placer. Some wax, a diamond painting tray, some baggies, more wax. And then, did I show you tweezers? It comes with sharp tweezers as well. And I just like this bag. This bag is really nice. Then we have, okay, another schematic. So this is actually the schematic. So here's the symbol, and here's the number, and then here is the baggie or the DMC. And then this, okay, if you want to put this in your logbook, you totally can because it's a sticker. And then you can put the start date, end date, and then comments of while you're doing it. Then we also have a thank you. So this is everything that's included in your kit. Instructions on how to diamond paint, upcoming changes, packaging. This is a new company. I'm figuring out what works. And I like that she personalized it. Beverly and Jen. She signed Jenny. So pause this if you want to read this. Here is the canvas reveal. So look at all those cherries. So this is primarily a color blocking canvas or piece of artwork. So that just means there's going to be large chunks of color, and this will go by fast if you use a multi-placer. These are multi-placers if you're new to diamond painting. But let's take a look at what's on the actual canvas itself. So at the bottom, we have keep on painting with the lips. Then we have a discount code. We have at the top left, we have the information about the canvas. We have our schematic, the logo, information about Diamondkissxo. So if you do want to check them out, I will have the links below, but you can check out these links here. And then we have another code. And then, okay, so the schematic is the right way, this way, but when you flip it over, there's actually another schematic, and it is upside down. This is such a good idea because sometimes people need to flip around their canvases when they're working on them. Like if you start at the top, if you're a starter of the top left, then you have the schematic over here facing the right way. And then when you get to the bottom and you're like, I need to work on this upside down because my table isn't large enough or whatever, you can have the schematic facing the opposite way. So I really like that feature. Like, I think that's actually really handy. And so we'll take a closer look at the drill field. And when we look at the drill field, basically we're just looking to see that the symbols are clear. There's no issues on like being able to read them. They're not like blurry, or maybe they're hard to see. But from the naked eye, my naked eye, it looks like it is very easy to read. I'm not seeing any issues. Yeah, I'm not seeing any issues. And I think like this will definitely go by fast because if you look at the background, that's all one color. And then reminding you that this whole canvas is all ABs. So we'll take a really quick look at all of the ABs. So I'm guessing this is going to be the background just because the amount that you do receive. And oh, I should mention as well, when I was talking with Jenny, she said that each like drill bag or the drills come with anti-static sheets. So inside here, you'll see this. This is like a static sheet. So, you know, when you order diamond paintings and sometimes it's annoying and you get static and then your drills, when you're pouring them out, go everywhere and they're hard to get back into the containers. These come with built-in static sheets. Like you can see there's another piece of static sheet here. So then you won't experience static in your kits. And I thought that was genius. Like that's such a good idea. And you can see here, again, in this color, there's a little static. Here's another color, 731, 750, 812, 498, 310. I love 310 ABs. I think they're so gorgeous. Then we have 815, 702, 5200, 910. And again, you can see that little static sheet, 907. And then lastly, we have 154. 154 is such a pretty color. And so again, this is all ABs. So if sometimes like I don't like ABs because they'll actually pull out the putty from my pen, or they just make like that weird squeaking noise. So it's totally up to you, but I think I've never done a full AB canvas before, so I'm curious to know what this will look like. One thing to note is that these canvases are quite costly, but remembering that it is a small shop, the drills are actually all ABs. And the owner of the business actually did send me a code. So if you want to use the code bevbe15, and this will allow you to get 15% off your entire purchase. You can only use this code one time, and the code expires on December 31st, 2024, so at the end of this year. And again, if you don't want to use that code for any reason, I don't get anything from it. It's just basically telling the owner that, hey, you saw my video and you wanted to save 15% off. There is a code on the canvas that is KISS10 to receive 10% off your next order. So if you want to save 10 or 15%, you have the options. Let me know what you guys think of this canvas down below. Are you a fan of all AB canvases? Have you ever done an all AB canvas? Let me know below. Did any of these options on the website strike your fancy? What do you think of these cute cherries? And also to note that I do believe that the artist does use AI, and so regardless of how you feel about that, I just wanted to let you guys know that I believe that this was created using photo imaging software. But let me know down below what your thoughts are, and thank you so much to Jenny from Diamondkissxo for sending me this canvas. I'm really looking forward to trying it out and trying out the full ABs. And a tip, if you do work with a lot of ABs like I will be on this, make sure if you're using putty, wax, whatever you're using, or glue dots, especially glue dots, that you dirty up your wax or your putty. So like rub it against the oils on your hand, on your face even, and just like dirty it up a little bit so it's not, the adhesive isn't as strong, and then you'll find that laying the ABs will be a lot easier. But anyways, regardless, let me know down below. Leave cherry emojis if you did watch this far. Thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!